Hey IKEA lovers! Get ready to fall in love with the TJÄRLEK Collection, bringing spring energy straight into your home. Playful shapes, fresh patterns, and bright colors. These pieces create a welcoming atmosphere for your gatherings. Plus, we've got other new arrivals that'll add style and function to your space. Let's dive in. A little dose of sunshine for your breakfast table. The TJÄRLEK Egg Cup is shaped like an adorable bunny, making mornings feel extra special. But don't let its name limit you. It's also perfect for holding spices, dips, or even tiny trinkets. Whether you're enjoying a soft-boiled egg or just adding a playful touch to your decor, this tiny treasure is sure to bring a smile. As fresh and vibrant as a spring bloom, the TJÄRLEK Bowl in sunny yellow is the perfect way to brighten up your table. Its deep design makes it great for soups, salads, snacks, even sweets. The warm yellow hue just radiates positivity, making every meal feel a little more inviting. Small but mighty, the TJÄRLEK Bowl Egg Cup in orange is more than meets the eye. With its delicate flower bud design and lively color, it's perfect for cradling a soft-boiled egg, holding a pinch of sea salt, or serving up a little treat. A tiny piece with a big impact on your table. Whimsy meets function with the TJÄRLEK Bowl, with lid in soft turquoise. This isn't just for food. It's perfect for stashing candies, jewelry, or kitchen essentials. And the snug lid. It keeps everything tucked away while doubling as a charming decor piece. Fresh, stylish, and practical. The TJÄRLEK Vase Set brings effortless style to any space. Fill them with fresh blooms, dried twigs, or let them shine all on their own. Scatter them around your home for little pops of color or group them together for an artful centerpiece. A toast to color. The TJÄRLEK Glass isn't just for drinks. Oh no! Use it for desserts, fruit, even tea-like candles. This playful design adds a little joy to any table. Whether you're sipping cocktails, serving sorbet, or just having a glass of water with style. Simplicity at its best, the TJÄRLEK side plate is the perfect blank canvas for any meal. Whether it's a croissant, a slice of cake, or just your afternoon snack, this plate adds understated elegance. Pair it with colorful TJÄRLEK pieces for a fresh, effortless mix-and-match look. The TJÄRLEK hanging ornaments bring instant festivity to any space. Hang them from twigs, decorate an Easter tree, or string them across a mantle for seasonal magic. They're small, colorful, and full of joy. Why wait for nature to bloom when the TJÄRLEK decoration branch brings spring inside? The perfect backdrop for ornaments, fairy lights, or seasonal accents, it adds instant warmth and whimsy. Use it as a minimalist statement or centerpiece. Either way, it refreshes your space. Turn any meal into a cheerful gathering with the TJÄRLEK Place Mat. Designed to bring energy to your table, it pairs beautifully with any dinnerware. And the best part? It's machine washable. Make a mess, cleanup is easy. A little touch that makes a big difference. The TJÄRLEK paper napkin in floral print adds charm to any table. Brunch with friends or a cozy dinner at home, they bring a playful springtime vibe. No laundry required. Baking just got more fun with the TJÄRLEK Baking Cup. Perfect for cupcakes, muffins, or bite-sized treats. These floral cups add a joyful homemade touch to every creation. Playful polka dots? Yes, please. The TJÄRLEK paper napkin in dotted design brings cheer to everything, from casual coffee breaks to dinner parties. Practical, colorful, and charming. Exactly what every table needs. A piece of Ikea history. The Kellerhals vase in orange is reborn. Originally known as Snurra in 1995, this sleek sculptural vase is back with a modern twist. Whether holding flowers or standing as decor, it blends nostalgia with contemporary style. Sunshine in vase form? Yes! The Kellerhals vase in yellow, with its rounded shape and wide opening, allows flowers to spread beautifully, creating natural, effortless arrangements. Whether it's filled with bright blooms or just adding a pop of color to your space, this piece is pure joy in home decor form. The Divlinja swivel chair in vibrant orange is inspired by the Mila anti-stress armchair from 1967. With its sculptural shape, five-leg base, and smooth movement, it's designed for both work and relaxation. A piece of history, ready to spin into the future. The ultimate space-saving hero, the DJUPUN folding table, is designed to fit your lifestyle. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a compact patio, this table tucks away neatly when not in use. And get this, it even has built-in storage for 2 chairs. Made from durable acacia wood, it's practical, stylish, and just waiting for you to enjoy your morning coffee in the fresh air. Say hello to a blast from the past with the Mofala chair. Originally known as Cox in the 1978 IKEA catalog, this foldable classic is back with a sleek new look in the TJÄRLEK Collection. With its sturdy chrome-plated legs and a soft polyester linen fabric seat, it's as durable as it is stylish. The Skullboda armchair is proof that great design never goes out of style. Originally named Jerpine in 1983, this bowl-shaped beauty is making a grand comeback in the TJÄRLEK Collection. Designed by the legendary Niels Gammelgaard, it's a sculptural statement piece that adds a modern yet nostalgic touch to any room. This iconic pattern, straight from IKEA's 1981 catalog, is back with a fresh revival in the TJÄRLEK Collection. Cozy, easy to care for, and effortlessly stylish. It's the perfect way to add a playful yet timeless touch to your bedroom. Bringing a bit of the outdoors inside, or vice versa, has never been easier with the Flodbjerg plant pot. Hand-woven from durable plastic rattan, it has that natural artisanal feel, while still standing up to the elements. And the best part, each one is unique. A charming must-have addition for any plant lover's home. Think of the Flodbjerg flower box as a mini garden in a box, hand-woven with the same love and care as its matching plant pot. It comes with a waterproof inner pot to keep your greenery happy. Place it on a windowsill or add a rustic touch to your outdoor oasis. Want to turn your balcony into a lush retreat? The Stjernanis flower box lets you stack and connect multiple units, making it a breeze to create a vertical garden. Made from durable acacia wood and pre-treated for long-lasting beauty, this is the perfect blend of function and aesthetics. Dream in soft blue skies and fluffy white clouds with the Sven Fristedt pattern bedding. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just getting started, the Ochre Bear greenhouse makes growing herbs, flowers, and greens a breeze. Its lightweight design means you can move it around as needed. And the front panel? It opens easily with one hand. Because let's be honest, watering should be simple. Who says small spaces can't have big greenery? The Vitluck flower box is designed to hang from balcony railings, giving you the freedom to create a lush, elevated garden, even in the teeniest of spots. And guess what? It's made from galvanized steel, so it's built to withstand the elements season after season. Short on floor space, but still want some greenery? The Vitloke plant. Pot with holder lets you suspend your plants from a railing, adding a vertical pop of color to any space. Rust-resistant, frost-proof, and made to last through all seasons. The watering can isn't just practical, it's downright stylish. With its sleek dark blue design and handy volume markings, it's both functional and a decorative accent. Big plants need love too, and the Björn bamboo plant pot is here for it. Lightweight yet spacious, it's easy to move around and perfect for your larger greenery. Stackable for easy storage, drillable for drainage, and as flexible as your ever-growing plant collection. That's it for our February 2025 IKEA Roundup. A huge thanks to all our new subscribers. You're amazing, as always. All the product links are in the description below. Let us know which piece you're most excited to bring home. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IKEA inspiration. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating with IKEA!